So what's driving us deep into debt? Debt is a reality for many of us. It's a weight that can press down on your shoulders, making it hard to breathe, hard to think about the future. We're often told to be responsible with our money, right? To save and invest our money, but the truth is debt is a part of our life and for many people too. So understanding what's driving us into debt is crucial if we want to break free. Now, we've all been there. Our income increases and suddenly our expenses do too, especially now. We start spending more money on things we don't really need just to keep up with the Joneses, so to speak. Lifestyle inflation is a real thing, and it's a major contributor to debt. We upgrade our cars, our homes, our gadgets, and before we know it, we're drowning in debt. Poor budgeting is also a culprit. We don't track our expenses, we don't make a plan, and we end up overspending on things, especially things we don't need. And then there are unexpected expenses, car repairs, medical bills, a sudden job loss. These things can happen to anyone and they can quickly lead to increased debt. So let's take a closer look at drivers of debt. Now, for example, when we inflate our lifestyle, what happens is we're not just spending more money, we're also changing our priorities. We start valuing material possessions over, let's say, financial security. We begin to see debt as a normal way of life rather than an exception. This can lead to a vicious cycle of debt where we're constantly borrowing to fund our lifestyle. Poor budgeting is also another big issue. When we don't track our expenses, we're really flying blind. We have no idea where our money is going, and we're likely to overspend as well. Now, unexpected costs can be devastating and they can hurt someone's budget. A single unexpected expense can wipe out our savings and send us into further debt, deeper debt. The numbers are staggering. I want to share with you this. So, did you know that the average household debt in the US is over $140,000? Isn't that crazy? Over $140,000 in debt many households experience. That's a lot of money and it's a heavy burden to carry. Debt can actually affect our mental health, our relationships, and our overall well-being. Now, it can make us feel anxious, stressed, overwhelmed, right? Out of control. And it's not just individuals who are affected, families and communities are also impacted as well. So in conclusion, understanding what's driving us into debt is crucial if we want to break free from debt. We've discussed how lifestyle, inflation, poor budgeting, and unexpected expenses like car repairs can lead to further debt. Now, we've seen how debt can affect our financial decisions and our mental well-being. And we've looked at some staggering statistics like the $140,000 debt stat that I just shared that show the real impact of debt on individuals and families. So if you've struggled with debt, I want to hear from you. Share your thoughts in the comments. What drove you into debt and how did you overcome it? If you overcame it, that's an inspiring story. Go ahead and share that. And if you're looking for more tips on how you can manage your finances, I invite you to subscribe. If you're watching this on YouTube, go ahead and check out my other videos that I have. Otherwise, I appreciate you watching. Thank you.